Hello once again guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. So what we're going to be talking about in this video today is how much YouTube pays for a viral video that gets 1 million views or more. Now what I went ahead and did is I went on YouTube and I looked at all of these different videos that people have made after they've had a video go viral, because it's actually a pretty popular topic. Basically, you make a YouTube video, that video goes viral, and then you make another video called how much money I made from that YouTube video, and maybe that video will go viral too. And what I found is that these videos where people talk about how much money they made from 1 million views are some of the most drawn out and lengthy videos I've ever seen in my entire life. So I sat here this morning for about 2 hours drinking my coffee, watching video after video, trying to find 5 examples of people that have gotten over 1 million views and how much money they earned in the process. And I have to say, it reminds me of something called a filibuster. And a filibuster is an action such as a prolonged speech that obstructs progress in a legislative assembly while not technically contravening the required procedures. That literally seems like what people are doing with these videos. They draw them out as long as possible and somehow manage to fill a 15-minute video answering one simple question, which is how much money you make from 1 million views on YouTube. So I went ahead and did the dirty work for you guys, so please go ahead and drop a like on this video for that. And now let's go right into the examples here and talk about how much money you make from 1 million views on a YouTube video. Alright, so coming in at number 1 here is a YouTube channel called AutoVlog. A couple of years ago, he posted a video called What Happens If You Push the Button While Driving. Don't try this on your own car. And obviously this video has gone crazy viral with over 15 million views. So after he posted this video, he also did a video talking about how much he earned, and he showed his earnings on this particular video. And he showed that he earned $11,732.30 from a total of 10,026,702 views. So if you go ahead and do the math and divide that out, that means that he made $1,170.10 for 1 million views on his YouTube channel. Now obviously this is the automotive niche on YouTube, and every niche is going to have a different ad rate, and this is one on the lower side of our 5 different examples. And obviously guys, all the credit goes back to these original video creators who made these videos, and I'll be linking to all of them in the description down below. Number 2, the second example comes from a friend of mine. You guys are all familiar with who this is, and that is Steffen. He had his first video go crazy viral, and since then he's had a number of different viral videos, but he did a video unboxing a credit card that he got, and it got a crazy amount of views, and so he did a follow-up video shortly after going over how much money he made from that viral video. Now what's important to note here is that because that video was over 10 minutes in length, Graham was able to add 2 different ads to that video, one that played at the beginning and a mid-roll ad. So there was potentially the ability for people to see 2 ads instead of 1, and as a result he earned substantially more money than some of these other examples. But in that video showing how much he made, he revealed he made $7,293.02 from 1,254,230 views. So if you go ahead and do the math on that, that means he was making about $5,814.74 for 1 million views. Now this is obviously in the finance/credit card niche, where ad rates are going to be significantly higher. And that is the main reason why this number is significantly higher than our other example there with the automotive channel. Also the fact that he was able to run 2 ads and not just 1. Number 3, our third example comes from a fitness channel. It's a man named Toons, and he made a video called 4-Minute Ab Workout to Lose Belly Fat at Home Within 1 Week for teenagers, men, and women. The video is a couple of years old, and on this video he has accumulated almost 4 million views. So he went ahead and did a video after he got 1 million views sharing exactly how much he earned, and this was actually the lowest of all 5 of these examples. So Marco earned $605.52 for 1,006,071 views, meaning he was earning roughly $601.87 for 1 million views, which is honestly extremely low. And that may be just because the workout niche is not a very popular, demographic advertisers are looking to go after, or maybe people watching this video weren't watching the ads or something else was going on. Not entirely sure exactly, but that is extremely low for 1 million views, and by far the lowest on our list here in terms of how much you make for 1 million views on YouTube. Number 4, the fourth example here comes from Ray's the Entrepreneur, and he made a video talking about how much he made in his vending machine business over the course of 1 month. And this video went crazy viral with just about 1.75 million views so far. And the funniest thing to me is he followed up this video with a video about how much he made from a viral video, and then that video got over 2 million views and became another crazy viral video. Well, in his follow-up video, he revealed that he made $3,706.75 from 1,104,419 views on that video. So I went ahead and did the math, and that means he was making $3,356.29 for 1 million views, which is pretty decent. And again, that is in the business niche, which is going to naturally have a higher CPM. And again, since this video was over 10 minutes in length, he was able to add multiple different ads, which is going to boost the earnings from a YouTube video. So if you're out there and you're trying to make your own viral video to cash in and make money from YouTube, if you can keep people's attention for a long duration of time and you can manage to have 2 ads in there instead of 1, you're going to naturally be making more money. And then the fifth and final example, I was trying to find a niche that had nothing to do with automotive or fitness or business, and particularly I was interested in a vlogging channel or a beauty/makeup channel. And I found a channel called My Family. This is a girl who does vlogging videos as well as like makeup and lifestyle stuff, and she didn't necessarily have a viral video, but in one of her videos she talks about how much she is earning relative to the number of views she is getting. And in that video she revealed that on 5,200,000 views, her earnings was $20,662.20, which means that in that niche, that beauty/vlog niche, and that means that in that specific niche on YouTube, the vlog/beauty channels, she was making $3,973.60 for 1 million views, which I'm actually quite surprised about that because I believed that that niche was actually lower, but that's a channel right there making close to $4,000 per million views in that vlogging makeup space. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. That is 5 examples of how much you make on YouTube when you're getting 1 million views or more on a video or on your particular YouTube channel. And obviously what we see here is that there is a huge range with how much you're making. From a fitness channel making $600 for 1 million views to a credit card finance channel making close to $6,000 per million views. And so that is why oftentimes you're gonna see different numbers all over the place with what people are making from their videos, just because the ad rates are going to be different based on what niche you are in. And it also depends on whether or not you're running one ad during that video or multiple different ads throughout that video. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button to support the multiple hours I spent watching video after video on how much you make on YouTube with 1 million views. But thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.